Now the next product in our hair category is Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. This is one of those do-it-all godsends for a great hair day. I personally use it just when my hair is just looking a bit so-so and it needs a bit of something, but I don't know what. If I've had a style, for example, the day before and I've woken up and it's all a bit flat, I'll just lift the pieces and just give it a little spritz. It's like a light hold hairspray without any stickiness, and it's like a dry shampoo without the dustiness and the white residue. So it kind of gives you that lived-in texture. It helps with getting that full-bodied, voluminous style, but without any stickiness, crunchiness, or dry powder residue, if that makes sense. And it smells so beautiful. A lot of Oribe's products are highly luxurious. Then they have fragrances that are like it's come out of a fine perfume house. It's much loved the world over. Meghan Markle is apparently a fan, and one is sold every minute. It's a luscious pleasure to use, but it is also a really hard-working product that every person needs in their kit.